Hello my friends, today I have a unboxing. I just purchased my first purchase from Karl's. Karl's is an online bait store and tackle, and I wanted to give them a shot. I usually use Bass Pro Shops and Cabela's, but I wanted to give Karl's a try. So let's go ahead and open up and let me show you what I got. Dibbles, digest, and a packing slip. Okay, the first thing I got is a Fishing 13 fishing Pop-R style bait. I'll show a close-up in the end. A Livingston walking bait, topwater bait. This is a Lunker Hunt Easy Prey. Another 13 fishing Pop-R style bait. A Cowboy topwater walking bait. This is a Storm topwater bait. I already have one really close to this, and this is what I caught all the fish on last year up here on Champlain. And I got a Guggen Squad revolver. It's a lot like the Pop-R, no, I don't know, I can't remember the name of it, but very similar to that. If I think of it, I'll let you know. And I got a second revolver. It's got the blade in the back. I can't think of the name of the other lure that it's supposed to imitate, but only the one I haven't really caught any fish on. I've had it for about 6 years now and haven't seemed to catch a single fish on it yet. Trying to think of the name of it. I can't remember. Well, as I talk to you now, the fishing has been okay. It hasn't been great. I have had some technical difficulties with my GoPro. It's been a little warm and it has shut down on me a couple times, and the fishing has been okay. It hasn't been great, not great at all. Might not even be a fishing video for that matter. If it is, it's going to be like a best of, or a collage of all of the different fishing that we all caught, myself, Jim, and Greg. It just hasn't been that great. They have a lot of tournaments up here, and we just literally came in last Saturday, and they literally had just finished a tournament. They started another one that same day, right out of where we're staying today, and as we get here yesterday, another one came in again yesterday. And around this morning, I don't have any pictures of it, but there was about 15, 16 boats left out of here this morning in a tournament style launch. So, hasn't been that great, but like I said, I caught a few, nothing great, nothing that I would put right up there and make a video about for Lake Champlain fishing, because it's just not Lake Champlain with what I've caught. I caught one really decent fish so far. I might try to go back out this afternoon, but we do have thunderstorms and lightning coming in for today. So I can't think of the name of that other lure, but it's on that end. It's a prop bait type thing. I can't for the life of me, I can't think of the name of that lure. So with that, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget, check out Karl's. Great shipping, good quality packing of the materials, very fast response time. In other words, when I placed the order, immediately I got a email right back telling me my order had been placed, and I got it relatively quickly, hoping to use it up here. But the topwater bite hasn't really been all that great, so didn't really figure on unboxing it and eating it. So with that, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.